It was constant, sharp shooting pain every time I took a step. My name is Jacob Sikel. I was diagnosed with a sports hernia and I was treated at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in New Brunswick. I can't really pinpoint when it occurred. It could have happened in a game, in a practice. You know, I was playing my freshman year, continuously playing well. And all of a sudden I just started kind of feeling pain in like my left side, you know, pelvic area. And it would only come when I would run, sprint, change direction, anything you do in lacrosse. And it kind of progressed as time went on, and it got to the point where I couldn't walk anymore. The pain was just so much. Ibuprofen wasn't helping. I would just have this pain walking to class, just doing anything basic, just so painful.
Jacob was able to come to our center at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in New Brunswick, get evaluated and diagnosed correctly. I immediately recognized that he has what's called a sports hernia, otherwise known as athletic pubalgia, which is a chronic pain disorder of the groin caused by muscle imbalances across the pelvic bone. A lot of athletes get this. Sometimes it's soccer players, sometimes it's lacrosse, sometimes it's hockey, various types of sports that require sprinting, running, cutting movements, and these sorts of things can exacerbate the underlying muscular weaknesses.
We did try physical therapy and nothing was working. Dr. Melman said, I think the surgery will help you out here. And so after taking like a week to think over what my plan should be, I decided to kind of take a semester off to take online classes and get the surgery.
He required a reinforcement of the lower abdominal wall, and he required what's called an adductor tendon release, which releases or relaxes the muscles on the underside of the pelvic bone. So we strengthen the muscles on top of the pelvic bone and we loosen the muscles on the underside, and that provides a better balance across the pelvic bone. If not treated correctly, these can be crippling conditions where people aren't able to ambulate, they're not able to walk around, they can't even go up and down steps anymore, and so their lifestyle is extremely limited. With proper treatment, it's over 90% effective in getting people back to their baseline and back into their sport.
Life is so much better, I'm really thankful for the team and Dr. Melman for getting me back. It's been about a year since surgery, and I'm back to playing lacrosse. I'm back to everything, really. I wake up every day and with the mentality of I'm gonna crush the day. Now it's like, how much can I achieve each day? How much can I learn? How much can I run? How much can I lift? I feel almost unlimited with the potential I have. I could shoot for the moon.
RWJ Barnabas Health. Let's be healthy together.